What will a map shadow do that a ray trace shadow will not? A map shadow will. Option A. Be visible in an IPR. Create volumetric shadows through a light fog. Option B. Produces correct shadows from transparent colored surfaces. Option C. Produces correct shadows from cloud render type particles. The correct answer is option B. Identify the tumble camera icon in the images below. Image. Option A. Option A. Option B. Option B. Option C. Option C. Option D. Option D. The correct answer is option B. Which of the following is not a type of flexor? Option A. Sculpt. Option B. Lattice. Option C. Joint cluster. Option D. Wire. The correct answer is option D. Which is the correct method to make the current transformations on the selected object be the object's zero position? Option A. Edit delete option. Option B. Modify freeze transformations option. Option C. Modify delete attribute transformations option. Option D. Skeleton orient joint freeze transformations option. The correct answer is option B.